1B30, so it's number 1B30. So you open it like this. Wig looks so light. Oh my goodness, you feel like you're wearing. Hey there, lady, teenager, mature. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I'm popping another video. Guys, today is another interesting day, very beautiful day. We are going to unbox another wig. Guys, if you have not watched the unboxing of my other wigs, please kindly go to my channel and watch other wigs. I'm here to bring you the best. Do you want to see more wigs? This is the channel you are supposed to be, okay? So today we are unboxing another wig. This is a natural Afro. Guys, as you know, I love Afro wigs. I don't know, I love wigs that kind of looks natural to me. So I love Afro, natural cane, natural curly. This is how this wig looks like. If you have worn this wig, please comment below, let me know. So when I saw the wig, I was like, I want that wig. I saw the other wig, but it was another color, and asked the lady, do you have another color? They have like different kinds of colors, and I chose this color. So today we're going to unbox it, so we will see how it looks on me. I'm going to try it, okay? But this wig was, let me see the price. This wig was $29.99, but they had a discount, of course. You know, teenager motto, I always have to ask for a discount. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm like, do you have, for some reason, do you have a discount for this? And the lady, she looked at me like, yes. And I told her yes. And she told me yes, she had a discount, so she had to give me a discount. So I ended up paying $15.99 for this wig, okay? So I'm so happy. Whenever I get a discount, guys, I am so happy. And that's why I tell you all the time, anything that they put in the store, the price, you might think that that's the price, but hey, if you ask for the discount, you may look unique, you may look dumb, but it's okay. Just ask. You never know who you are going to get in the counter. So I always ask. I'm not trying to be cheap, guys. Come on. I need a discount, okay? I'm not a millionaire. I need a discount. Doesn't matter, it's a coin or whatever. So I asked for a discount, then she gave me the discount, and the wig is here, and I'm going to unbox it so that we can try it. And guys, if you are not a member to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, become a member, support the channel. This channel is going to do a lot. This channel is going to help the needy kids. It's going to help the women, the widowed women. So this channel is a huge, it has some of the things that it needs to do in the future. So it's not only my channel, but it's a channel that actually, whenever you donate the money in this channel, or whenever you are watching your time, you're donating your time to watch this channel, know that you are not helping only Teenager Motto. This channel is actually going to help many out there that I'm gonna be showing you what the channel is going to be doing. So keep watching, become a supporter, become a subscriber, turn on those notification bells, share my videos, tell people about Teenager Motto. Tell them this is the lady. This lady is from Africa, Kenya, and she lives in America, but she is a YouTuber doing a hustle. You know, this is a side hustle for me. So make sure you tell her exactly who I am, okay? So without wasting your time or without further ado, let's open this wig. So this is how the wig looks like. So it's a natural curly premium synthetic fiber. Whoa. So it comes like this. So we open it. I don't know how it looks like, but we need to see. It's a 1B30. So it's number 1B30. So you open it like this. Let's see. I hope you guys can see. Why are you getting stuck in here? So you open it. It's 1B30. Woo, guys. So this is the bag. It comes in. So you open the wig. It has this little beautiful demonstration here. This is how the wig is actually supposed to look like whenever you are wearing it. Look at that. Yay! Guys, excuse me, my nails. I didn't do my nails today, so don't come up for me like, oh, she didn't do her nails either. Don't come on me. So, this is how it looks like. So you have to take it out. Yay! Yeah! Okay, this is how the wig is. So it has this beautiful net that it goes in here. You take it out. Take it out, guys. Stay with me. So we take it out, and I'm gonna cut this thing off. Actually, we don't need this. So this is how the wig looks like. Look at that. This is how it looks like. Let's see inside. It's beautifully made inside. Look at that. Look at inside. Has this little cap here. It has two combs on the side. These two combs over here on the side that you hook here to secure, and it has this strand or straps here. You can put it adjust this according to your head size. So I'm gonna put it here according to my head size. I don't know if it's gonna be bigger or smaller, but we'll see. So I'm gonna put it right here for me, so we can try actually the wig. Are you even ready, guys? So this is how I like the way actually the cap is made in here. Very tight, very neat. Guys, can you see? This is the one wig that is really beautifully made. Because some of them, whenever I open them, they're not, you know, nicely done. It's some gaps for your hair to breathe. It's beautifully done. I love it. So far, we can take it out. Look at the color. The color is a goldish. It has a little bit of highlights of burgundy, I can say. Is it burgundy or goldish? I think it's more burgundy, goldish burgundy. It's the color that they call goldish burgundy. So this is how it looks like. It's naturally curly hair. So, ooh, guys, I don't know. Let me ask you a question. Did you like washing wigs before you wear them, or you just buy wigs and wear them? Guys, comment below. Let's start a discussion. Comment below if you wash your wigs before you wear them, or if you just wear them, you buy them and just wear them. Okay, let me know. So this is how the wig looks like. So I'm going to try it so that we can see here. So I have this, guys, my what do you call this? My cap protector. It protects my hair. So I am going to adjust my hair cap so that we can try this one, guys. The moment of truth is here. Let's see how this wig actually looks like. I don't know, I'm scared if I'm gonna like it or not. Oh my word, come on. I guess it goes like this. Let's try. Oh my goodness, guys, the wig looks so light. Oh my goodness, you feel like you're wearing your natural hair. They call the wig natural Afro, naturally curly. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. It's fiber. Wow. What do you think, guys? Let me know, guys. Comment below. Look at that wig. Oh my word, I love it. I tell you, I love this wig so much. It feels like my natural hair. Seriously, guys, comment below. What do you think? Let me turn around so you guys can see from the back how it looks like. What do you think, guys, from the back? Can you see? I hope you guys can see. Look at it. Oh my goodness, I love this wig. I really do love this wig so much. Guys, comment below. And I like the highlights they have here, burgundy. You know, if you want to, you don't want it to come all over your face. You know, here some people, you know, they don't like covering their face. You can just chop it a little bit, make it bang a little bit, and push it a little bit so, you know, people can see your face if you want. Or at the same time, you can just pat it, wear it on the side. But I feel like I'm gonna wear it this way. I love this. I'm in love with this wig So my goodness, guys, for $15. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So as you can tell, you can just play with the wig. You can spray, and the wig, the way you're taking care of these wigs, so, you know, I've been showing you all these kind of wigs. The wig, you can wash it after. Don't wear the wig maybe 2 to 6 months without washing it. Come on, guys, wash the wig. Wash your wigs. If you have not watched the videos where I tell you how to take care of these wigs, what kind of products you use to wash these wigs, please go kindly to my YouTube channel and scroll over there and find a wig that I show you how to wash or how to take care of your wigs. Don't let your wigs sweat and stay for a long time without washing them. No, there's some products that are going to make your wig smell good and smell new, okay? But this one, basically, when you are going to take care of it, all you need is just a spray of water. Just spray it, you know. You don't have to put anything here. Just spray a little water. No, you will do the magic to kind of, you know, calm it down. But I feel like this is the best wig ever. Guys, comment below. Let me know. Let me know your lady teenager mother. She looks a rock star. I'm a rock star. Let me know, guys, I'm a joker sometimes, so, but hey guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you join the membership, make sure you tell people about Teenager Mortal. Comment below what you think about this week. What kind of videos you want me to make? Tell me, guys. You want me to cook for you? Do you want me show you beauty? Do you want me show you wigs? Do you want me show you hair, how to braid your hair? Go to my channel and watch all these videos. And guys, I love you. I tell you, I love you so much. And thank you so much for your support. And thank you so much for always clicking my videos. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.